Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to sign up for a Lululemon account. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. First of all, open a web browser, go to the URL box and type in lululemon.com and press enter on your keyboard. Doing this will take you to the official website for Lululemon. From the official page, click on the sign in button at the top right hand corner, which will then take you to the sign in page. If you already have an account for Lululemon, you can enter your email and password associated with it. If you're trying to create a new account, click on create a member account button. Now, enter a valid email address in the first text box. After you do so, create a password including these criteria at the bottom, and once you are done, if you want to opt in to receive weekly emails and member communications from the platform, check this little square at the bottom. If you don't want to receive them, make sure to uncheck the box and click on Create Member Account. Now, you have been successfully logged in to your Lululemon account, which means you've successfully created a new account. Now you can go ahead and start shopping for athletic apparel, high quality yoga and activewear from the platform. So that's how easy it is. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.